So I would like to explain in short. I started off as a mechanical engineer back in 2020, and I took a 360-degree turn into data science because I still love it a lot. So I started off with some very basic courses, some very basic beginner level courses. Now the special thing about the thing is you can find 60-70% courses or playlists on YouTube itself. So there are also paid courses, but I am self-learned. So you can find n number of courses. You just need to connect the dots. Now I started off as a beginner courses. Then I once I got an idea about the decent knowledge about the profession, I worked on some basic beginner level projects, then some intermediate advanced level projects. Now I have worked on n number of projects, right from machine learning, deep learning, computer vision, time series analysis, NLP, what you name it. So I have worked on some end-to-end projects, and now talking about how to prepare it, just see what actually you want to become. Now in data analyst, data science, there are a number of fields. You can say you have data analyst, we have data engineers, we have data scientists, we have big data engineers, or n number of. So first decide what you want in your career, and based on that, try to hunt for the projects and whatever you want. Now, the best thing I would like to give you a hint that if you want to say target for a data analyst role, try to hunt down around 20 to 15 job descriptions from which you can extract the keywords and start working on those particular projects. Now, as a beginner, it's not expected to work on some high-end projects, but start from very small, say a small project which would be simple classifier and later taking off to an application. Now, once you grow in this field, try to make projects relevant to the industry. Now, let's say you're applying for any healthcare domain. Try to work on some healthcare domains and whatever skills which are needed, what are expected. So now you can find a number of data sets on Kaggle. We have UCI data repositories. You can the data analyst some basic skills I would like to mention is try to work on SQL, some data visualization libraries like Power BI, we have Tableau, try to learn some Excel, advanced Excel concepts like VBA, macros. Now, once you're done with this, try to work on some projects. Now, the projects can be also integrating like SQL and Tableau together. Now, if you have interest in machine learning, try to integrate some machine learning models with the Tableau dashboards. Now, this is how you can actually impress. Now, any project you choose, the main goal, the flow of the project should be actually what was your aim for selecting that particular project, what is the impact or what is the insights what you got out of the data, and lastly, what is the impact which you created for an environment or end users and whatever. So if you are able to explain all this process to a recruiter or anyone interviewing you, you can easily crack the interviews.